Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bolster, Get Your Credit Right app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bolster is a credit building and credit management app designed to help users understand, repair, and improve their credit profile. The app provides tools to track your credit health, identify negative items on your credit report, and receive guidance on steps you can take to boost your score over time. It also offers personalized insights that explain how your financial decisions may impact your credit, making it easier to stay informed and make better choices. Bolster is available on both iOS and Android. The app's main feature is its credit improvement guidance. It helps you review credit issues, suggests actionable steps to fix problem areas, and shows your progress as your credit health changes. It also provides educational resources, simplified credit explanations, and a user-friendly dashboard for monitoring all key credit factors. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clear explanations, easy-to-follow improvement steps, and the ability to track credit changes over time. The app helps users stay organized and confident while working toward better financial standing. It is especially useful for people building credit for the first time or recovering from past credit challenges. However, there are some drawbacks. Some features may require paid upgrades, and results depend heavily on individual financial behavior, meaning improvement is not instant. Some users also report occasional syncing issues or delays in credit updates, which can affect the experience. In addition, Bolster relies on accurate report data from credit bureaus, and limitations in third-party data can influence how precise the insights are. In summary, the Bolster app may be worth using if you want structured guidance, simplified tools, and helpful tracking to improve your credit over time. However, if you prefer hands-on credit repair methods or do not want to rely on subscription-based financial tools, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.